EVERGY is a utility company which provides electricity for 1.6 million customers in the US. They've been committed to clean energy while delivering a best-in-class customer experience. However, they're facing a big challenge in this mission: electricity peak demand. When the demand is very high, the US energy grid is not sufficient on its own to provide the country with the electricity it needs. To meet the peak demand, what we call peaking plants are temporarily powered on to generate extra electricity. Using peaking plants causes two problems. First, the cost per kilowatt is more expensive, so it increases both the utility company's operating costs and its customers' bills. Second, peaking plants are less effective and highly polluting because they are mainly run with fossil fuels and lack modern pollution controls. A high level of consumption during peak times is a major obstacle for EVERGY to ensuring, first, its customer satisfaction, and second, keeping its commitment to reducing greenhouse emissions. The business and environmental problems of EVERGY became one: how to help customers reduce their electricity consumption during peak times. First, EVERGY needed to identify what levers in their control would work to change their customers' behaviors. That's where behavioral economics comes to play. Here, the company could not change the price or any product features, but could only play with their data and communications. They listed their customers' touchpoints to know when they are interacting with their brand and what specific behaviors they could target to change. Sending online billing and consumption reports through emails was identified as the main touchpoint for customers post-engagement. The next question was, why are customers not already trying to reduce their electricity consumption during peak times? Leveraging insights from behavioral science and customer research, the company mapped out the blocks their customers were facing in terms of capability, opportunity, and motivations, such as information overload. Receiving too much information requires too much cognitive effort for customers to compute data, plan, and act. Status quo bias. Existing habits are restraining customers from making a change. Another insight found: many customers were not necessarily motivated to change their consumption behavior to save money. So, how to remove these blocks and increase motivation? They created innovative digital consumption energy reports that harness psychology levers. These communications were crafted using smart meters, big data analytics, and personalized communications, while being rooted in behavioral economics principles. First, framing information differently by simplifying, increasing the salience of data that matters. Planning tips and reminders, giving concrete steps to take at the right times. Providing weekly feedback on consumption. Second, offering better digital tools to navigate. Decreasing time by offering a self-service option online. Then, using social influence, making the action of reducing electricity consumption socially attractive. Comparing results with neighbors or similar homes. Triggering emotional appeal. Leveraging sense of pride to maintain or accentuate behavior. And finally, playing with choice architecture. Increasing decision points by providing reports more frequently with call to action. The results? 7% reduction in energy use around peak time. Increased operations cost efficiency. 88% of people switching their electricity plans made the move online directly through self-service, making it cost-efficient for EVERGY and delivering a better customer experience. Increased customer engagement. 75% of customers that receive their weekly report about their consumption are opening and engaging with the reports. It's a win-win situation where EVERGY could meet its business goals by successfully influencing their customers' behavior in their own best interest.